Vivactive Belted Slips Maxi are designed to make changing simpler, whether you're independent or supporting someone you care for. Start by measuring your waist and hips to find the right size. Activate the pad as demonstrated. This helps shape the pad and lifts the barrier cuffs for better protection. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure the tabs. If you don't get it right first time, they can be repositioned easily without losing grip. With the belt attached, bring the pad up through your legs and towards the belt. Finally, attach the pad to the belt using the adjustable tabs. For assisted changes, start with the person lying down. Wrap the belt around the waist and secure it. Bring the pad through the legs, then attach it to the belt using the adjustable tabs. Vivactive Belted Slips Maxi. Superior protection made easier to wear.